So in today's video I show you how you can delete your Twitch account. So the first thing is you cannot delete your Twitch account using the app itself. So here today we'll be using the web browser. You can use any web browser for this process, and on the address bar here type twitch.tv/login. Here type twitch.tv/login and then tap on the go option. Now once the official website opens up, you need to log into your Twitch account. So here enter your Twitch name and then your password and then tap on login. Now once you are logged into your account, on the upper right corner of the screen you will see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now here simply tap on the settings option, and here this is the settings page. Now under the disabling your Twitch account at the bottom you will see your option with disable account written in purple. Let me zoom in. So simply tap on the option. So here you can enter a reason for disabling your account. However, it's an optional part, and if you want to enter the reason you can enter it, or you can simply tap on disable account option. So as you can see, now my account has been disabled. So that's how you can delete or delete your Twitch account. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.